હમ કેવી લાઈન છે યાર.
પેલી જે લાઈન છે ને એ રિટર્ન વાળા માટે છે, રિટર્ન વસ્તુ કરવા માટે.
So actually me and my friend are visiting IKEA. So it's a North York location, you see. A lot of people come to visit IKEA. I don't know why. It look like a tourist destination. વાત સાચી છે.
જોઈને ના લઈ જવાય વસ્તુ.
Yeah, that's true. So they have like a lot of space for visitor. As you can see, there are so many lines to just make an entry, and especially because of the COVID-19 situation, now they made this barricade to use it, you see. So people have social distancing maintained, that's why. So we are go inside and see how it look. So this is an entrance. So this is a big parking. So this is a big entrance of IKEA. It's very big, you see. So we just entered in the IKEA. So actually we are here to bring some product. Yeah, થોડું round મારે. So as you can see, it's very big. So you can find all the home product here. Everything like related to home hardware, everything. So if you are looking for the home products, definitely check out the store. It's very big store. You find most of the things here easily. Home decor stuff to like a sofa, chairs, tables, everything. So yeah, just getting around here first to check out what they have, you see, to just show you guys. Yeah. So you get an idea what they have. All kind of. Looking for something like this. Okay. So this one is cost around $190. So it's like, it's very nice product. So this kind of table, you can see it costs around $149. The furniture here for home is very nice and beautiful. You see, this kind of chair you get for $17. So now we are going in the marketplace area of IKEA. This is not marketplace. Oh, okay. So it's downstairs, the marketplace, where you find this product in a boxes. So you just need to pick it up. It's like a warehouse. So you just need to pick the product. Okay.
જે પેલું જોઉં છું ને એ થોડું આમ વાઈટ છે એટલે આ પીસ અલગ આવે બધા.
This one also nice. They also provide a desk where you can choose your own product and can select the product and find the product also. This is a smart search box, I think. You can find the product here, every product. It's a kid's bed.
યાના કઈ જ ન ઊંઘે.
યાના તો અમારા જોડે જ ઊંઘી જાય.
માર્કેટ હોલ.
So this is a market hall, self-serve furniture area. So this is a glassware section. All the product related to glasses. So this lamp, you see, this look nice. Different kind of lamps. This is all mirror. So we are just going to enter in self-serve checkout, self-serve furniture area. Just pick your product, purchase and take it to counter and pay it and go home. So it's very big area, you see. So you can use this kind of trolley, yeah, to took the product from the shelves. Took the boxes and they mark everything, like full detail about the product. So it's very easy to pick up. You just pick up the product, put it on this trolley and take it to checkout like this. So this is a self-serve point.
સર્ચ તો કરીએ મારો તો.
So first you need to search the product. As you can see, this is a very big place. Oh man, this is so big place. So this one is working. I don't know how, but this one is working. So now we are going to search the product by code, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So he is entering a code. Now it's searching the product. Now it's come up. Now we are exiting and we are at the checkout. You can see there are many people are doing checkout already. And store is now closing almost. That's why its line is very long to just do a checkout. So we are proceeding to checkout. There are so many counters to do a checkout for the customer, so it's getting faster. Oh man, this is just for checkout. So this look like an airport. Everybody is waiting to get a visa. So we are doing checkout. So now we're done with our shopping at IKEA. So we are heading back to home. Hope you do guys like this. Have a nice day. Bye.